credit from Airtel to Airtel account. In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer credit from Airtel to Airtel account. So let's get started. The first step is using Airtel Me2U. Activate Airtel Me2U service before you can transfer credit. You need to activate the Airtel Me2U service on your phone. This is usually done by dialing a specific code provided by Airtel. The activation code might vary depending on your country. For example, in some countries, you might dial *166# and then follow the prompts. After that, once Airtel Me2U is activated, you can transfer credit by dialing the transfer code. This is usually something like *166 amount, recipient's number. For example, you want to transfer 100 units of credit to a number. First, you will dial *166*100 and then star and the number. After that, you will press hash and then press the call button. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the transfer. After confirming the transfer, you will receive a notification confirming the success of the transfer. The recipient will also receive a notification informing them of the credit transfer. That's all. That's how you will be able to transfer money from Airtel to Airtel account.